places. Yeah, it's hard for me this very time to follow the movement, 'cause life is such a fight right now when I am in bondage. Whispering birds brights up my darkness. Walking there brings home to my sight. Feeling of lost runs up my mind. So locked in the cage of isolation, looking back to the good old times while living redemption. Hey, people were given the rights to roam into places. Yeah, it's hard for me this very time to follow the movement, 'cause life is such a fight right now when I am in bondage. Oh Lord, whispering birds brights up my dark nights. Hey, walking legs brings home to my side. Yeah. A feeling of loss runs up my mind. Locked in the cage of isolation. Wall to wall is all I see in everyday life. Freedom was banned from me, a slave every sacrifice. Yet it's hard for me this very time, since now I am doing time. You see the peace of mind that dwells within, awaiting that sunrise. Whispering birds brights up my dark nights. Walking legs brings home to my side.